So you want to create your first website or your website, and you're saddled with the thought of you don't know how to code and all of that, then this video is for you. Today I'll be taking you through practical steps on how you can create your own website using either Canva or Figma. So yeah, you're welcome back to our channel. Now let's get right into it. The first is choose your tool. Choose your tool. Now Canva is beginner friendly and great for quick visual layouts. Figma on the other hand is more advanced, more powerful and highly professional with features like precision and prototyping. Now I'll guide you through both options so that you can know which best suits you. So for Figma, just search for websites and then click on blank design. That's it. While for Figma, create a new frame, and then set it up to the desktop size. Yes, typically the 1440 by 1024 pixels. Step 2, plan your layout. Now, before designing, let's sketch out a basic layout. A simple website structure includes 1, a header, which is a logo plus a navigation. 2, the hero section, which includes the big intro text plus the images. 3, we have the services and the features. And then 4, we have the about section. And then 5, we have the footer. So use rectangles to represent each section. Now this is called a wireframe. Ensure not to focus on your colors or your fonts yet. Just ensure to focus only on the structure. Now the pro tip to this is use spacing to guide the eye. Do not cram everything together. Let's proceed. Step 3, add visual elements. Add visual elements. So let's bring this to life with real content. Your fonts, your colors, and your images. This is where it's needed. Now for Canva, just click to add text. For Canva, just click on text to add your headlines. Then drag elements like your buttons or icons from the side panel, or you can possibly download free photos for your hero section and pages. While for Figma, use the text tool and the shape tool. For Figma, use the text tool and the shape tool. Then you can also add colors from your brand palette, or use a tool like colors.co to pick a scheme. Ensure to keep your fonts clean. Use 1 to 2 fonts max. For beginners, I recommend the Poppins, Open, Sans, or Lato. Your hero section should grab attention. A big headline, a one-liner text, and a call to action, a strong call to action button like get started. Step 4, review and export. Now, once your design looks good already to you, zoom in and out and review everything. Now, ask questions like, are the text readable? Are the colors and fonts consistent? And is it mobile friendly? For Canva, you can download your design as the PNG or the PDF. While for Figma, you can share a prototype link or export specific sections for developers. The bonus tip to this is use Figma feature to link buttons and to simulate page navigation. The bonus tip to this is use Figma's prototype feature to link buttons and to simulate page navigation. And just like that, you have designed your very first website layout using the Canva or the Figma. Don't forget, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just need to get started. Tell us what tool you are going to be using in the comment section. Tell us what works for you or what has worked for you if you have always been designing. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be alerted when we next drop a video. See you in my next video.